This is how you attach and weld objects using Sculpt. So the first thing we do, let's select the 3D geometry. Then over here, switch off Weld Attach. We're going to do that separately. And then click on Attach Objects. That is now going to weld these buildings together as one object. You can see that's done that in 5 seconds. So it's pretty quick. It's using multi-threading to do that. The next thing, let's select those buildings again, or the one object. Down the bottom here, we will click on Weld Vert. And you can see why we do it this way is we can see the before and after results at the bottom there. So that is gone and done. I may want to explode out to separate elements or explode by material. Let's click on that. And you can see now I can select the glass and continue to work on these objects separately.